Did you know that the glow of the sun provides Earth with enough energy to fulfill all the world's power many times over?
Solar panels are being
Installed and produced to help those who can't afford buying lights, heaters and those devices. The topic of today is going to be the solar panels.
You possibly don't know how solar energy works, do you? First, the sun shines on the solar panels generating DC, that is direct current electricity. Then, the electricity is fed into a solar interpreter that converts this direct current in a alternative current electricity. After that, the AC electricity is used to power appliances in your home.
Any power not required by the home goes via your home switchboard into the mains power grid to other use. In a way, the mains power grid acts as a bank. It is the power spot to the main grid, and you take a power bank when it's needed.
The consumption of non-renewable sources like oil or gas has increasing in an alarming rate. The time has finally started to change the kind of energy that we can use. For example, the solar, the wind and the geothermal energy. Now many countries have changed their method of energy and they start to use the solar energy. But now they have to go to a long way to exploit the energy and fulfill all the demand that the people are doing for the energy. Here are a few facts on solar energy that will help you to know the potential of solar energy to meet global requirements.
A very memorable story was in a Pacific town that didn't have access to electricity. They decided to use solar panels because the government didn't give them help. Now more than 500 families are benefit thanks to the initiative that they took.
Solar energy is the most abundant resource on Earth. In fact, 173,000 terawatts of solar energy strike the Earth constantly. There are more than 10,000 times world total energy use. Solar energy emits fewer greenhouse gas emissions than fossil fuels. A special report by International Panel of Climate Change Working Group examined hundreds of estimated greenhouse gas emission studies and compared the result with the most important studies. The result has shown that renewable energy has sustainable, lower environmental impact than fossil fuels.
For our micro-volunteering project, what did we do? We did a translation of a video of Guatemalan girls who made solar panels for their school. Why did they do those solar panels? Because they had a lot of blackouts and electricity problems they couldn't afford to solve with a lot of money. They didn't have those sources. So we translated the video from English to Spanish. We put translations like lyrics on the video. We thought it was very important so people who couldn't understand English could understand this video because solar panels are making a very big change in our world. It was a very difficult task because the Guatemalan girls, they speak good English, but the sound on the video wasn't that good, so it was very difficult to understand sometimes. And we split the video in 4 parts. Everyone had to make 1 minute of it. We are 4. And yes, the video we uploaded our micro-volunteering, and we think we did a very good job on it. We think also that it is very important that everybody knows how the solar panels work and what they are used for, and the reasons why they are used. That you know what solar panels are and how they work, and that you know what micro-volunteering is. I am here to invite you to make the change in the world. The little things you do, like volunteering, do the change in the world. Little things we take for granted are miracles for other people. So remember, the change you want to see in the world begins on you.